Azure Portal recently, and on the AKS section I found something new which is quite cool. Well, I think it's new, I've not seen it before, but then again I don't spend much time in the Azure Portal. If you go and find your AKS cluster, and then if you go down to node pools under settings, and then there's this tab at the top called nodes. If we go ahead and click on that, we can see a list of all of the nodes you've got. And I noticed this connect box at the top, but it was grayed out. So I clicked on my Windows one, it was still grayed out. So I clicked on one of my Linux ones and it showed. So I clicked it, and in here it actually lets you connect to the node using the kubectl debug command with a nice busybox image, and you can actually then troubleshoot the node. And what's really good is if you click use Cloud Shell, this will actually open up the Cloud Shell for you, put in the first 4 commands, and then you'll be connected to a pod like this, which is ready to go to troubleshoot your node. So what you do next is you do the ch root host to actually get connected to the node. I'm not sure why it says start kubectl session there, but that's fine. And now I'm actually on the node, so if I do like an ls, I can see got a notice, bin boot, dev, etc, home, lib, lost found. So let's have a look at what's in the cd mount. So let's do ls mnt. We've got something about containers and Docker in there, data loss warning, so that must be attached to some ephemeral storage or something. And then if we just like exit out the node, now we're back on the actual container, and we do an ls here, you can see we're actually now in the container because we've got the end user license acceptance, so you actually were on the node. And another really cool thing is here at the top, you've got the Azure CLI commands to do it as well, which are like the same. So this is going to be super helpful for people who don't know how to use kubectl debug, can never remember the command. You can just go to the Azure portal and copy it out, or just click the run in Cloud Shell and it's pretty much done for you. So this is cool. I hope you find it useful as well. Let me know if you're using this feature or if you've seen it before.